Okay, welcome to Academia. Now I'm going to teach you how to block a Hatinator. So this is a block. So this is how you're going to measure. Make sure you measure 1 inch in. So you're not going to use any cellophane of your choice. Could be clipping or anything like this. Just use it to wrap the block and then grease with a jelly. Grease with a jelly. Now this is what we are going to use here. We are going to use a wording and a window mat. That's what we're going to use in blocking this particular project. So now you're going to get an elastic or a bias, anything. That is what you're going to use for the first layer. You know, we have to use this round reed. I normally use the colored thumbtack for this, and I had to use this elastic on top of it so that my work will come out neat. Just watch, you'll be able to get it. So you use the elastic round it. So you're putting the elastic on the down, then your thumbtack, your pins are going on top of the elastic. That is how you're going to do it round. You do it round. You do it round the base. Just take your time, okay? Because you need to make sure that that place is smooth. You need to make sure that everything you're doing there is smooth. So we're just going to take it round. Now what I'm using here is a medium thick wording. So this is a different experiment. So it means you can use things around you to also block. So you see, I'm going to use this color thumbtack round the first step. Now after that, you now follow the process of the 4 cardinal points when blocking. Now take note, in this particular blocking that I'm doing, somehow I noticed that what I have to use is not enough. Please don't try this. Make sure that your fabric you're using is enough so that you don't have to do what I'm doing here. I'm doing here because I'm used to it, so I know what to do when you get to this situation that you have to manage fabric. But if you're new in it, don't manage fabric, use the fabric. I see how I'm using my hand to smoothen it, because when blocking you need to smoothen it. Though in this particular blocking we're going to cover this with a fabric, but when you're doing, that is why we are using the wording. If we are not going to cover it with fabric, we won't be using this wording. So we're using this wording to be able to give it a firmer grip, to be able to make it push. So make sure that you stretch as you're blocking. Stretch it, smoothen it. It has to be smooth. You know what I'm finding a bit difficult here is because it's smaller. The measurement is smaller, but when you have the appropriate measurement, you say it. So you have to smoothen, you have to draw it to give you a smoothing, a firm. So that's how you do it round. This is how it looks after blocking. So now let's stiffen it. This is how it looks. Okay, sorry, you see that part, because it's not enough. That was how I did that. But never mind. So these are stiffener. So your stiffener, if you don't know how to measure stiffener, you let me know. So sometimes we get them in small container, in big container. It depends on how much you have or how much you want to, the quantity you want to purchase. Let me put it that way. So your stiffener, this is how your stiffener should not be very watery. Your stiffener should not be watery. So it depends on the quantity, the quality of what you bought. It depends on the mixture of water you add. A little is enough if it's not thick. You see, it's not dripping. It should not drip. So that is, will tell you that your mixture of your stiffener is okay. So you just take your time, take it round. See how I'm taking it? I'm taking it round the edges because we need this whole part. So you're going to use your stiffener to rub it round. This is how it looks. Thank you.